Hey y'all, Matt Long, Realtor here. We are going to do walkthrough tour. This open house I had today is at 1020 Pendleton Circle. We are in Isle of Palms Path in the Villages, Florida. This is a Camden Designer model, so it is split. What we're going to do is we're going to start over here to the left. We have the entryway. These designer models are nice. Close the door here. They're nice. You got the little bit more architectural touch with the arcs, higher ceilings. Very nice. So as you come in the front door to the left, it takes you over to bedroom 1 and 2 and the guest bathroom. You have a linen closet here. Let's go into the guest bathroom. See here. Come into guest bedroom 1. Nice big window that overlooks the front of the house. Collapsible closet doors, a good sized closet in there as well. Oftentimes this front room is used as a den or an office. The second one is usually used for guests. A bit smaller window facing the side of the house. It also, same size closet, collapsible doors. The door just happens to cover part of it at times. All right, heading in here, back towards the center and main part of the house. Just to the right entryway, we have a little laundry room. They do have a pole set up in this laundry room. Come out to the main part of the house. This is the living area. Now, these Camden models, this is an exterior wall originally. Some people leave it as a line, some people turn it into a Florida room. It's a good size living room, and this is a split plan that's open, where you have the living that has access to the kitchen and a formal dining that has access to the kitchen as well. These designer models have they're a little higher end cabinets. You see the stainless steel, and they do have option here for gas. There's no carpet in this house. Take a look here. Here's the kitchen. Off to the left of the kitchen, they do have a full pantry, which is nice. Some places get small and tight at times, and pantry may not be an option. Now, like I said, this is, as you see, a sliding glass door. The builder makes this as if we were going outside, so this would be external, but it is enclosed and it's air conditioned, and this is part of the square footage. This glass looks to have some UV tint or protection on it, so it keeps this room cooler. They also do have these shades here as well. I call them restaurant shades. These are the ones you see in the restaurant. I yell at my kids not to play with. We've all been there. All right, and then we've got the formal dining room. They have a fan instead of a chandelier. All right, before we get into the master room, we're going to head out here to the garage. This is a 2-car garage. You see, it's very spacious. They do a good job of leaving room, and it seems to be a little bit deeper. There's more room in the back. So an average car would fit into here maybe up to about about this point, so there would be room if somebody wanted to park a small golf cart in here, or put a refrigerator out here, workshop. But it is not designed to fit 2 full-size vehicles and a golf cart. That won't fit. All right, as we head around the corner here from the bathroom or the kitchen, we head into the master bedroom, and you can see it has an en-suite bathroom. Always like the windows on each side, which frame out a great area to put the bed. Beautiful walk-in closet. These high ceilings. See, as we turn around the corner here, how much room is really in here. The shelving is tremendously helpful, and some, around height, about a foot off the ground. Sometimes they put a shelf there for shoes as well. A lot of room in here to customize closets as well. Now they have French doors going into the master bathroom. Let's see if we can do a cinematic pan here. I like that. Got his and hers vanities and mirrors, and a walk-in shower, glass door in between. You can see in here. And the lavatory toilet here. Has a private door and either a handle to help you get up or help you get out. If you have any questions on this home or any others, reach me by phone 352-403-3730, online at mattlongrealtor.com, everywhere on social media at mattlongrealtor. So be sure to like, follow, subscribe, emoji, heart, thumbs up, turn on the little bell, do all that good stuff. I do whatever I can to help everyone out. If you have areas or homes or content that you do want to see that is real estate related, feel free to leave it in the comment section below or message me directly. That's all for this one here. I will have 2 more open houses tomorrow. I will be sure to post them as well. If you want to come join me at those, go ahead here on Facebook and go to the event section and check out what I have going on this weekend.